Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Flying discs.
Today, Peppa and her family have come to play in the park.
Look at I found in the pocket in the dark.
What is it?
Take it home.
It's a
We're
flying
flying
disc.
flat.
Wow, that is good.
Yes,
Whee.
flying discs are brilliant. To you,
Ready?
Mummy Pig.
To you, Peppa. To you, Daddy. Oh, it didn't fly.
It's okay, Peppa.
It's okay.
You just have to spin the disc in a special way.
Hold it flat and then spin it.
Okay, hold it flat and spin it. To you, George.
Throw the disc to me, George. Got you. To you, Peppa. What?
What is it?
Got you. Oh, our disc isn't red.
Whose disc is that?
It is Danny Dog and his daddy.
Hi, Peppa. Hi, Danny.
Good. You
Good
caught our
grief.
disc.
Ah, it's your disc.
Yes. Can you spin it back to me?
Okay, to you, Danny. What?
Another one day.
Hello, Peppa.
It is Mandy Mouse and her mummy.
Have you seen a blue disc? Yes, I caught it. That's my disc. Okay, Mandy, are you ready? Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Catch. Got you. Hello, everyone.
Here is Susie Sheep and her mummy.
Hi, Susie. Have you got a flying disc? Yes, it's the best flying disc in the world. It has flashing lights and plays music. Ooh.
Great.
Great
Where is
job.
this amazing disc?
Flying with the birds.
You see, the thing is...
Mum threw it in a tree.
What's that noise?
Threw Susie's flying
That's a
disc
flying
into the
disc.
top of a
Isn't it?
tall tree.
Apple
It's
tree.
very hard.
Apple.
Apple tree.
Too high to climb?
No problem. We'll just knock that disc out with this one.
No, Dad.
Ah, that's
Much
not what
better.
was supposed to happen.
But it was a good idea. I wonder if
I
I can
wonder if
knock
I can
both
find
of them
next
out
to
of
the
the
oswald
tree.
and take it.
Looks like we've got the only disc left. Shall I
And
try
one
and
more
knock the others out
time.
of the
Knock,
tree?
knock.
Okay, Daddy, but do it right.
Oh,
All the discs are stuck in the tree.
don't worry. I know
We
a
can
way to
use
get
the
the
apple
discs
tree.
down. You remember how I shook an
Remember?
apple tree to get
You can
apples
find
down?
Bible books and lots of other books too at the local library.
Funny.
Yes.
Yeah,
really
that's the
funny.
apple
So,
tree.
this is the same
It's
sort
the
of
green
idea.
apple.
I might need a bit of help.
I might
This
eat
is
a
a
little,
big
the
tree.
little pieces on our neck.
I think it's
I want to go neck.
Keep shaking, Daddy. Shake hard.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on, Mum.
Oh, come on.
I'm trying my best.
Oh, my wow, wow, wow. Susie.
Did it.
Hooray. Yeah.
Okay,
Yay.
watch what my disc does.
Susie's flying disc has flashing lights and plays music.
Wow. To you, Danny. To you, Peppa.
Peppa loves flying
Flying with
discs.
the birds. And everyone likes flying with the birds. And then...
Peppa Pig.